Welcome to Ejisco Tech TV, where innovative meets insight. Join us as we delve into latest trends, breakthrough technology, and transformative ideas shaping the future. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or simply curious about what is next in the digital world, you have come to the right place. Get ready to explore, learn, and be inspired with Ejisco Tech TV. Cryptocurrency, what you need to know to get started. Cryptocurrency was once a niche, misunderstood by many, but now at the forefront of financial innovation, changing the way we think about money, investment, and even technology itself. And yet, for many, cryptocurrency is a mystery. Where do you begin? What do you need to understand before diving in? In this video, I will provide the basic knowledge you need to get started. What is cryptocurrency? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. Unlike the traditional money such as dollar, euro, or naira, cryptocurrency operates on decentralized network based on blockchain technology. Cryptocurrency differs from traditional money. It's not issued by any central authority like a bank or government. It relies on a technology called blockchain, a distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Now, this decentralization means that no single entity controls the currency, making it transparent and secured. The first and most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was introduced in 2009 by a group of people or individuals called Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin brought the idea of decentralized digital currency to the world, allowing transactions to take place directly between users without the need of intermediaries like the bank. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency, making it sure that every transaction is secured, transparent, and immutable. This means once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain network, it cannot be altered, which prevents fraud and provide a reliable history of all transactions. This innovative approach is why cryptocurrency has gained so much trust and popularity over the years. There are different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin may be well known, but it's not the only crypto. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies with their purpose, technologies, and community. Cryptocurrency have diversified since the creation of Bitcoin. Each cryptocurrency is designed with a specific use cases and technological feature. For example, while Bitcoin is often seen as a digital gold and a store of value, Ethereum is known for its smart contract and decentralized applications, enabling complex transactions and processes. Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold because of its store of value over time. Beyond Bitcoin, there is Ethereum, a platform that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications, making it a key player in the blockchain ecosystem. Stablecoins like Tether are designed to have stable value, typically pegged to a fiat currency like the US dollar. They are used to minimize the volatility that is common in the cryptocurrency market, making them ideal for transactions and savings in the crypto space. Different cryptocurrencies serve different functions. For example, Ethereum allowed developers to build decentralized apps on their platform, while Tether is used as a stable of value in the crypto market. Understanding this distinction is crucial as you explore the world of cryptocurrency. How to buy and store cryptocurrency. So how do you store some cryptocurrency? The first step is to get some true cryptocurrency exchange. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies exchanges functions as online platform for users to exchange their fiat money like dollar for crypto. Each exchange has different features, fees, and supported cryptocurrency. So it's important for you to choose the one that aligns with your needs. To begin, you will need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Popular choices like Bybit for its user-friendly interface, Binance for a wide range of supported cryptocurrency, KuCoin and Coinbase, just to mention a few. Once you have selected an exchange, you will need to create an account, verify your identity, and set up a payment method. After purchasing cryptocurrency, you will need to store it in a secured place. Cryptocurrency are stored in digital wallets, which can be categorized into hot wallet and cold wallet. Hot wallet are wallets that are connected to the internet, and cold wallets are wallets that are offline. Hot wallets are more convenient and ideal for transactions, but they are vulnerable for hacking because they are connected to the internet. Cold wallets are less for frequent transactions, but offer a high level of security for long-term storage. For beginners, starting with a reputable hot wallet is sufficient. However, as your holdings grow, investing in cold wallet is wise. Remember, keeping your private keys safe is crucial, and never share them with anyone. Cryptocurrency offers the potential for high rewards, but also notorious for its volatility and risk. Prices can swing widely in short period, presenting opportunities for significant profits and substantial losses. The cryptocurrency market is known for its price volatility. This can be both an advantage or disadvantage, depending on your investment strategy. While some people have made fortunes by investing in cryptocurrency, others has experienced significant losses and bankruptcy. Bitcoin, for instance, was just worth a few cents when it was introduced. In 2021, it reached all-time high nearly $65,000 per coin, creating millionaires almost overnight. However, the market has seen drastic downturns, with Bitcoin losing over 80% of its value at a certain time. Investing in cryptocurrency requires careful consideration and strong risk management strategy. It's important to invest the money you can afford to lose. Investing in cryptocurrency is not for the weak heart. Remember this: only invest the money you can afford to lose. Tips for you as you enter into the world of cryptocurrency: stay informed about market trend. Knowledge is your best defense against the risk inherent in cryptocurrency. Employ risk management strategy and keep your eyes on development that could impact the market. The future of cryptocurrency. As we look ahead, the future of cryptocurrency is filled with opportunities and challenges. From increasing adoption by mainstream institutions and the development of new technologies, the crypto landscape is set to evolve in ways we can only imagine. What do you think about the future of cryptocurrency? Share your view in the comment section. Connect with us at Ejisco Tech TV for more insights, resources, and opportunities. Together, let's harness the power of digital transformation to create lasting impact. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also visit us at ejisco.com.